Yo, welcome back. DevGod here. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to find the amount of JavaScript files that I have in this repository using just Linux commands. So for example, if I went to my LeetCode directory, which is just LeetCode, and then problems on my GitHub repository, link in the description for competitive programming, we're going to be able to run these Linux commands to just find how many JavaScript files I have in this folder. So one thing we can do is we can do find. This is going to be a Linux command that is on most Linux distros and is also on MingGW for Windows. We can specify that this is the root directory, aka like the current active directory that we're in. And then we're also going to be able to give it a file name pattern to search for. So what I can do right here is I can search for the star symbol. That's basically like a wildcard for the find command. And I can also type the letters .js. So this is going to find all of my files that end with a .js file extension, description, whatever you call it. And if we just go ahead and click this, Baba Booey, it's going to show us every single JavaScript file that I have in this parent folder. But we can go one step further. So what we can do is we can clear that to clear the screen. And then we're also able to use this pipe. So this straight line right here is going to pipe the results from the find command into this other command. So this is another command that's on most Linux distros. It's going to be called WC, which is short for word count. And another thing we can do is we can do a -L to basically say it's the word count of all of the lines I got by running like a function that's piped into it. So then if we run this, boom, instead of listing out every single JavaScript file, we just have a count of every single file that's in our directory instead.